Laqobetelago, which is the regiment, started the harvesting of the sorghum few days ago at the Mfabantu field. The country has been blessed with rains during the plowing season, and this is evident in the abundance of the harvest at the Mfabantu field. The regiments wake up in the early hours of the day and bring back the harvest to Engabezweni Royal Residence. The number of attendants by Laqobetelago is a sign that the harvesting will be over soon. On the news tonight, I'm Xolisma Vembela, Mfabantu Field.